There are times that polymers need to be taken apart, so they will be disassembled, and there's going to be a specific reaction that will do that. The reaction that takes polymers apart is called a hydrolysis reaction, and this reaction is pretty much a direct opposite of the dehydration reaction. So before we explain the reaction, I do just want to point out to you that if we break down this word hydrolysis, hydro means water, and lysis, that is a portion of the word that you're going to see throughout the semester. That means splitting or cutting or breaking, you could say. So if we directly translate this, hydrolysis means breaking with water or breaking, splitting with water. So that sums up what's going to happen with the hydrolysis reaction. This is going to add a water molecule at each link to break apart a polymer. Okay, so if we were to draw that, if we draw that at the bottom, if I have this molecule right here, and so here we're just drawing little bits on it, and it's a generic molecule. If I have this, if I also took a water molecule, and this is a water molecule, and I add the two together, what will happen with the hydrolysis reaction is this is going to break, this is going to break, and the end result of that is going to be that this gets attached to one and this gets attached to the other. So if we were to draw the results of that reaction, you have this one that now has a hydroxyl group on it, plus you have this one right here. Okay, so we've gotten back basically our two monomers again from the molecule that we started with. If we draw a larger molecule, so if we had something like this, this polymer happens to have 5 individual monomers, each represented by the circles that we see here, and we have 4 different links. So for each one of these links in the molecule, we would need to run a hydrolysis reaction. So we would add water, 1 water molecule for this first link. We would have a second one for this link, a third one to break it at this link, and then ultimately a 4th one to break it at this link. So to completely take that molecule, if we were going to take that and we were going to turn it into 5 separate monomers, if we were to talk about what that would actually require, that would require 4 hydrolysis reactions, because each link is going to really be broken in a separate reaction. So it will take 4 hydrolysis reactions and 4 water molecules. So just to sum it up, hydrolysis reactions are breaking things apart, and they will be adding water back to the molecule. And dehydration reactions are going to be assembling or putting things together, and they will be removing water molecules.